Good afternoon, dear students. Let's start the new chapter of civics, that is democratic rights. In this chapter, we will discuss about life without rights, prison in Guantanamo Bay, citizens' right in Saudi Arabia, ethnic massacre in Kosovo, rights in a democracy, rights in the Indian Constitution, right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational right, right to constitutional remedy, securing fundamental rights. So, let's discuss them in detail one by one. Democratic rights. Rights are the reasonable claims of a person over other fellow beings, the society and the government. The claims should be such that they can be made available to others in an equal manner. Thus, a right comes with an obligation to respect others' right. When the socially recognized claims, that is, rights, are written into law in a democracy, they are called democratic rights. This chapter deals with democratic rights and their significance. Life without rights. The importance of rights can be judged by the one whose life has absence of right. The following three examples states what it means to live in the absence of rights. Dear students, now let's discuss about prison in Guantanamo Bay. About 600 people were secretly picked up by the US forces from all over the world and put in a prison in Guantanamo Bay near Cuba. According to the American government, they were enemies of the US and linked to the attack on New York on 11 September 2001. As a result, there was no trial before any magistrate in the US, nor could these prisoners approach courts in their own country. They were just picked up and were tortured. Let's discuss about protest regarding the imprisonment. Amnesty International reported that the prisoners were being tortured in the way that violated the UN laws. Despite the provisions of international treaties, prisoners were being denied the treatment. Dear students, now let's see citizens' rights in Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is ruled over by the hereditary king, and the people have no role in electing or changing their rulers. The king selects the legislature as well as the executive. He appoints the judges and changes them any of their decisions. Citizens cannot form political parties or any political organizations. Media cannot report anything that the monarchy does not like. There is no freedom of religion. Every citizen is required to be Muslim. Non-Muslim residents can follow their religion in private but not in public. Women are subjected to many public restrictions. The testimony of one man is considered equal to that of two women. Now, let's see about ethnic massacre in Kosovo. In Yugoslavia, Serbs were in majority and Albanians were in minority. A democratically elected Serb leader, Slobodan Milosevic, wanted to dominate the country. Serbs thought that the Albanians should leave the country or accept the dominance of the Serbs. As a result of ethnic clashes, Kosovo with majority population of Albanians declared independence in February 2008.